Dealing with under-eye bags naturally requires lifestyle changes, skincare routines, and home remedies. Follow this step-by-step guide to reduce and prevent under-eye bags without surgery or invasive treatments. Step 1. Hydrate properly. Dehydration leads to fluid retention, causing puffiness. Drink 8 glasses of water daily to flush out excess fluids and keep your skin healthy. Avoid salty foods, as they increase water retention and worsen puffiness. Step 2. Limit eye strain. Excessive screen time causes eye strain, worsening puffiness. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds to give your eyes a break. Step 3. Apply cold therapy. Cold therapy is great for reducing puffiness. Use cold compresses, chilled spoons, or cucumber slices for 10 to 15 minutes. Cold constricts blood vessels, reducing swelling. Chilled green tea bags can also soothe and reduce inflammation. Step 4. Improve your sleep habits. Lack of sleep dilates blood vessels under your eyes, causing puffiness and dark circles. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Sleep with an extra pillow to elevate your head, preventing fluid buildup under the eyes. If you are struggling so much about your sleep, I have a very detailed Sleepmaxxing video. If you didn't watch it, you can reach out the video right above. Step 5. Gentle massages for drainage. Poor fluid drainage leads to puffiness. Perform gentle massages with your fingers or a jade roller. Tap outward from the under-eye area to help move fluid and reduce swelling. Be gentle to protect the delicate skin. Step 6. Adjust your diet. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries and leafy greens reduce inflammation and improve skin elasticity. Vitamin C-rich foods like oranges promote collagen production, helping to firm the skin. If you want to know furthermore and lose some fat and gain muscle, click the video or you miss out some quality banger. Step 7. Use eye cream. Choose eye creams containing caffeine and hyaluronic acid. Caffeine reduces swelling by constricting blood vessels, while hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin. Apply in the morning and evening after cleansing. Retinol can also boost collagen over time. I will leave a skincare routine for you. If you care about your eyes and skin, I will absolutely recommend you to watch. Step 8. Manage allergies. Allergies often cause inflammation and swelling. Take over-the-counter antihistamines or consult a doctor for allergy management. Saline rinses clear allergens, reducing sinus pressure that leads to under-eye bags. Step 9. Reduce alcohol consumption. Alcohol dehydrates your body, making puffiness worse. Drink water alongside alcohol to stay hydrated, and limit alcohol intake to prevent the puffiness it causes. Step 10. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure weakens and thins skin, worsening under-eye bags. Always use sunscreen, especially around the eyes, and wear sunglasses outdoors. Sun protection helps maintain firm, healthy skin and reduces puffiness long-term.